So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be looking for how to identify when the market wants to move from a buy market to a sell market. So if the market has been buying for a while, like we can see here, and then we want to know if market is going to be selling, then I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you how to identify that. So even you have maybe a sell market, okay, like in this case here, and then you want to identify how to know when the market will be buying, then I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about that. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end because you are going to be learning how to identify when the market wants to move from a buy market to a sell market, and when the market wants to move from a sell market um to a buy market. Okay, so whichever the case may be, just watch this video to the end because you are going to be learning how to do that. So as you can see that I've taken a sell here already, okay, and with my stop loss above this level and my take profit. So my take profits, I'm targeting the low of today, which is this particular daily candle here, okay, and then my stop loss is just above the high of this particular candle. Okay, so whatever the outcome of this trade will be, then we are still going to be managing our risk. Okay, so the first thing we want to do before we be able to identify if a market wants to move from either a buy market, as we have here, to a sell market, is to look at how the candles have been moving upward. Okay, if you look at this particular candle here, you can see that this is a very strong buy. Okay, so this particular candle suggests to us that market might still want to buy. Okay, and that is why we see that after this particular buy candle here, market still pushed upward. Okay, market still pushed upward. So if you spot this particular buy pressure here, this is a very strong momentum candle. Okay, so you want to be careful in the market. Okay, but whenever we begin to see that the buy candles have started to lose their momentum in the market, then we want to start to look for selling opportunities. Okay, now if you look at this particular buy candle here, you will notice that this particular wick here closed with a sell. Okay, so after the strong buying pressure here, you will notice that this particular bullish candle closed with a sell. Okay, and then you can see the next candle follow. Okay, this suggests to us that market is losing momentum in the market, and then with this particular candle, and then if you notice this candle here, this particular candle here, you can see that the buying pressure was not like this particular one here, and then it also closed with a sell. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to look out for whenever we want to take selling opportunities in the market. We want to check out first of all for the momentum. Okay, we want to look out for the momentum in the market. Okay, and then the next thing we want to look out for is to identify our trend lines in the market. We want to look out for our trend lines and our support and resistance. So to be able to do that, we are going to go to like the 1 hour time frame. Okay, to look at if we can see any trend line on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on our 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have like a trend line here. Okay, so this is like a trend line that we have here. So market is respecting this trend line here. Okay, so you will notice that this was like the first touch here and then the second touch. Okay, and then it's either market comes back to create a third touch or breaks out of this particular trend line. Okay, so whatever the case may be, we want to watch out for this particular trend line. Okay, And then the next thing we want to do is to identify our support and resistance. So we can see that there are major resistance at this level here. Okay, so we are going to mark those level out here. Okay, we are going to mark out those level out here. Okay, so you can see that we've actually marked out our resistance level. Okay, now you may be wondering why I took this trade here. um this is like an aggressive entry. Okay, so if you want to enter the market early, you can decide to take like an aggressive entry. Okay, but if you want to wait for a safe entry, then you want to make sure that you've marked out your chart very well and you've carried out proper analysis. Okay, now the benefits of an aggressive entry is that you get to enter the market early on time, and then you make more profits. Okay, unlike when you enter with a safe entry. Okay, but whichever the case may be, you want to manage your risk very well. Okay, before you either decide to take an aggressive entry or a safe entry. Okay, so now we've been able to identify our trend line and then our resistance. Okay, then after identifying our trend line and resistance, what we want to do now is what will help us to know if we are going to take a sell trade or not. Okay, so after we've been able to identify our trend line here, okay, which is this particular trend line, and then our resistance level here. Okay, so what we want to do, okay, is to wait for market to break out from this particular trend line here. Okay, if we look closely, we can see that we have more resistance level here. Okay, we can see that there's a resistance level here. Okay, so what we want to do now is to wait for market to break out from this particular trend line. So if we go to the 30 minutes time frame here, we can see that we want to wait for market to break out from this particular trend line here. And then if market breaks out from this trend line here, there are two ways we can take our trade. Okay, so it's either market breaks out from this trend line here, okay, and then market retest back to our resistance level. Okay, remember this is our resistance level. So if market breaks out from this trend line here, we can wait for market to break out here, and then market we have to retest our resistance level here. Okay, so market we have to retest this resistance level. Okay, and then the second thing we can do is to wait for market to give us a break of structure. Okay, that would be like the best entry for you to take this particular trade. So we can wait for market to give us a break of structure here. Remember, this was like the last low here. Okay, so we can wait for market to give us a break of structure here at this particular low. Okay, and then if market does that here, market can give us the break of structure here. Okay, so markets can give us a break of structure here, and then markets after giving us this break of structure here, you can wait for markets to also break out here. Okay, now the more the break of structure, the better, because this suggests to us that market has completely moved from a buy now to a sell. Okay, so the more break of structure you have in the market, the better for you to place your trade. Okay, so if market breaks out, give us the first break of structure and then the second break of structure here, okay, then definitely we want to wait for a retest back to this particular level here. Okay, so this will be like the best entry to take our sell, because remember this is like the first resistance here, this was like the second resistance here. Okay, and then after price breaks structure here, then definitely price might want to come back to test this level here. Okay, that we have before markets will decide to start selling. Okay, so guys, market has not make this move yet. Okay, so if you get to see this video now, you make sure you want to keep an alarm, so that when price does any of this, then you can enter for a sell. But as for me, I've decided to take an aggressive entry here, because definitely it means that I'm going to be making more profit. Okay, and then if price should do any of this here, okay, if price should come here for a sell or either this place, then you might want to adjust your take profit level here. Okay, you might want to put your take profit at this particular low here. Okay, for your take profit. Okay guys, so guys, this is how to spot if the market wants to move from either a buy to a sell market, guys. So guys, I believe you've been able to learn how to do that. Make sure you go back to your chart and practice this simple analysis before you decide to place a trade in the market. Okay, so if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so, because I'll be bringing valuable analysis and strategies in the market that will help us to take trades in the market. Okay, and if you've not yet shared this video, please kindly do so. Share it to your friends and everyone that is involved in trading. Okay, and do well to like this video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later on today. So cheers guys.